Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. 8. A skydiver jumps from an airplane and reaches terminal velocity when she is 12,000 feet above Earth's surface. At terminal velocity, she falls at a rate of 170 feet per second. Which equation models this situation, where h is the height in feet above Earth, and t is the time in seconds after reaching terminal velocity? A. H equals 170 minus 12,000 times. TBH equals 170 plus 12,000 times. TCH equals 12,000 m. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.